Righto, so what we're looking at here is lot 1. You'll see the 3 interchangeable components that drive these 3 machines. You have the power pack, the remote and the high frequency motor, the leads and the cords. What we have here now is the wall saw. There's the saw head, the track and the feet. This unit now is the wire saw, one of them. Got the drive heads and the pulley systems, the post, the base and the guarding. This is the second unit. All the pulleys, drive pulleys, tensioner pulleys and guarding. Then you have the return pulleys and stands, and the return pulleys and stands.